Okay, today's moving day. They know I set up, they're funny, they know I set up my wire, so I just put wire on both sides of the trail. It's not hot at all, it's just looped around trees. And it goes all the way down through the trail on both sides to get us back to the home farm. But the cows are ready to go. There's still some grass out here. Could I have pushed them another day or two out here? Probably. Just in the second, but I don't like to push them, especially up here, because the solar charger is great, but we're getting down to the 20s at nighttime. It still thaws out and warms up into the 30s during the day. But the battery, definitely by morning, the battery's pretty frozen in that charger, and it doesn't give as good of a shock. So, and nothing for nothing, but because this is the tall grass, the deer come out into the field quite a bit. So you got to be careful with not having a good perimeter fence, because the fence can get knocked down by deer. And also it's not necessarily hot, so because of the cold weather. So this is the last day up here, though. We're gonna get ready to do a cattle drive in the woods. Oh, and they're ready. They're getting ready. But I'm just waiting for the kids and my wife to help, just in case anybody gets straggled behind, because I lead the cows and I'll try to film it if I can. And then the kids and my wife just kind of fall behind on the four-wheeler, just in case any of the calves or whatnot get kind of caught behind. But these guys are clearly ready to go.